how to send Solana from BullX Neo to Phantom Wallet. So to be able to send money or Solana from BullX Neo, it's actually very simple. We're just going to manage our wallet. So simply go to your wallet manager over here. Now, to be able to send from BullX Neo, we will set it up so that we have Phantom Wallet as our withdrawal wallet. So that if we withdraw money from our BullX, it will be sent to our Phantom Wallet. So what you're going to do first is you're going to select over here, Solana over here on the top right. And there are two options over here actually. We could either add a withdrawal wallet over here or directly withdraw over here on our right side. So this is our Sol primary wallet. So let's go with the first one first. You're just simply going to click on add wallet over here and you're going to enter the wallet address of your Phantom wallet. To get that, you're going to open your Phantom wallet over here and click on receive and simply copy Solana over here and paste your wallet address. The benefit of this is that you no longer need to enter the address over and over since you have saved it as a withdrawal wallet. But you could also do it manually over here on the right side where you click on withdraw and then you're going to select Sol from your own wallet over here, of course, the amount, and then over here you're going to simply select your withdrawal wallet over here. So that's basically how you will be able to connect or withdraw or send money or send Solana from BullX Neo to Phantom Wallet. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.